Time for some fun. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, why did you do that? Come on. How dare you? Oh no, my sneaker ripped. Tough luck. Ugh, you're so mean. It's fine. I know how to fix this. What? Not your biz. Just grab a hot glue gun, cover it up, like this. Add some hearts for style. Oh, yeah. What the heck? Paint a bit more, and done. Jealous? You did that with hot glue? 3D pen is cooler. We'll see about that. Huh? This tome is unreal. Works so good. Wow! Cool! I'm the most popular now. Time to take that show-off down. Alright, let's start. Draw a comb. Grab the 3D pen. Fill it in. Like this. Now for the teeth. Done! Awesome! Like it, girl? Come with me. You like it? Let's show them a real comb. Huh? That's right. Whatever. So, shall we? Where are you going? Wow, nice hairstyle. You bet. Hey, girls! Look at this! Haha, in your face. Oh, darn it. Such a cool party. Hi! Ready to dance? That Pokemon look suits you. What's wrong? Mom said I look amazing. You hear that? You're so mean! Yeah, keep running. This is a nightmare. Wait. Got it! Hot glue gun will help. First, outline around the eyes, like this. Do the same on top. Now add some paint. Gold is perfect. Nice. Now some glitter. Careful. Like this. Time to try it on. Oh yeah, nailed it. Oh, need a new outfit. There, way better. Hello again, girls. What? Where'd you get that outfit? Hey, wait! Wow, you look awesome! No way! Ugh! Check out my crown. Well, another school day. Hey, guys! Huh? How's it going? Wow! Such cute clips! Where'd you get those? I don't have any. Don't be jealous. Alright, time for the 3D pen. Outline this carrot. Cool. Now outline the star. And fill it in. Do the same with this cute heart. Clip them on. And done. Heart here. Star here. Carrot here. Perfect. Back to class. Hi there. You bought new clips? I made them. Wow. What? That's so cool. Huh? Hey, what about me? Her clips are way cooler. Ugh. What's going on? Check out my new stickers. They're super trendy. Cool, right? You can stick them anywhere. See? They're amazing! Wow! Oh, I can buy some too! Oh, too pricey! Oh, I got an idea! First, draw some fun shapes, like this. Now bring out the hot glue gun. So cool! Let's make a rainbow. Fill it in nicely. Perfect! Now time to paint. Use red, blue, and gold. Paint it all. And done! So pretty! Hey! Huh? What's that? Oh! What? Where are you going? Look, they stick anywhere. Even on your face. How's it? Awesome! Stick one on me too. Sure, this one's for you. Wow! And this one's for you. Way better than stickers. Oh, I can't believe this is happening. Snack time. Love my cereal. Hey, chef. Huh? What are you doing?
Your meal is served, miss. And here's your fave fork.
What? Yay!
Enjoy.
All right, let's eat. So tasty. Like my fork. Oh, my spoon looks so boring. Darn! I know what to do. First, draw the outline, like this. Now fill it in. Perfect! Move to the top part. Add some layers for volume. A couple black dots. And done! Okay, now I can eat. Wow, so handy! Works great! Ugh, whatever! My fork's still better! Yeah, sure! Check out what I got! Ouch! Hey! Ew, gross! Ready to fight? Stop it! Oh, give it back! It's mine! Oh, so fun having lots of cute pens! Goo! I'll use this one! Show off! But whatever! Hot glue gun, help me out! First, stick the pen like this. Carefully draw a heart. Fill it in. Add some eyes. Done! Looks awesome! Here are my pens. Huh? They look so cool! So true, huh?
Hey, you've got 2 pens. Can I borrow one?
Wow, he's so handsome.
You hear me?
Yeah, sure. Here you go.
Thanks, cutie.
Yay! I must be dreaming! Oh, no